guys, so now I'm gonna go take some pictures for us. So I'm gonna back up the camera.
You know, right? I make it look so.
What's the gonna say?
Oh. I got you on camera asking me. Nope. I should probably video with me phone, you know, because me phone is video better than this one. No, for real. It's just that they don't show better. She love gun, man. I would go that way. Well, we just exploring. Lizzie, it's the beauty of exploring, not knowing where you're going, but knowing where you come from. As long as we can remember where we come from, need none us. Need not worry your friend. The last time me and Keith got like 3 minutes on the one side over the trench. Oh shit, me didn't video it properly. You could video? Exactly. I would have said that, right? Actually, I want to go. I see your name, but I. What is this? This is what I'm saying. This is a... Oh, over there, a little more nice. Somebody bicycle. You could just probably walk straight over there if you want. Wait, they catch an anaconda now? Where you going? I don't know if we could reach across, but we can try. Another thing, don't make any of them plants touch your skin because it could get stinging it too. Christopher Columbus discovering.
Okay. I'm don't say it.
Hey, some be truck better than the truck they use. This looks nice.
This is Joel.
Wow.
That's You just touching anything? You just touching anything in here?
You got everything in your ears.
This is how far we come from. This is how far we come from, boy. I telling you, I remember all we had to use the wood down there instead of the mud. I get it on video. Alright. Hey Nishan, it's this side, boy. It's this side, boy. This side is. Hey. Yeah, that was good. Get caught. Let's see when we dig it. Nope. I think I know where we can come out from. No, that toilet. This is not where I was. Wait, where is the exact place? No, it's not the exact place.